This is the final activation of the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United States Department of Defense, and the United States Space Force. There is a giant human causing a massive sinkhole that will destroy the entire Earth and cause massive damage. There is nothing we can do. Stay home and pray with your family and loved ones. May the Lord bless us all.
Supposed to be
Bubbles.
No way! You be Bubbles!
No way! You be Bubbles!
You're Bubbles!
You're Bubbles!
You're